Guys, today we're going to learn on how to create an Amazon account, and all you have to do is to launch your web browser. Then from here, you are going to search for www.amazon.com registration. We're going to click on this website. And once you're here, if you wanted to log in or create an account, so all you have to do is to click here. So in the case that you're here, you can either decide to sign in using your email or phone number if you have an account with Amazon, or you can just decide to create your Amazon account, which you're going to click on it. You're going to enter your name, your phone number, password, then you're going to re-enter your password again. And once you are done, all you have to do is just click on verify email. And in the case that you do have an account, it will take you to this place. And Pedro guys, for watching this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.